Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. And I'm Rachel. So I have some great news, guys. I'm going to be on live tomorrow night. That's January 8th between 6 and 6:30, okay? And I'm going to have some family with me. Yes, the family is showing up to pay respect to you guys. And we're going to have a super chat. A super chat is where you can, if you have a specific question, I answer your question first, and you can donate some funds if you like to participate in that. If not, you can still participate. It's just that the super chat people's questions will be answered first. And the reason I'm having this wonderful live occasion is I hit 10,000 subscribers with you guys' help. You guys did it. I want to thank you personally tomorrow. Please join me for the party. Okay, we're going to have some balloons and some food, and oh, we're just going to show out tomorrow night. Okay, so you don't want to miss it. So that's January 8th, tomorrow night. That's Wednesday at between 6 and 6:30 live. This will be my second time going live to my YouTube family, and I can't wait to talk to you guys. The last time we had an absolute ball. We did tribute questions. I got real happy. And I gave out about $100. I was supposed to give out a $25 gift card, and I went way in, and I just loved it. I just loved it. So please join us tomorrow night, would you please? I'd love to have you. Okay, spread the word to everybody. We want to just really party with you guys. I can't be in everybody's house, but at least we can all be together on here. Okay, so I'll talk to you all tomorrow between 6 and 6:30 with the live chat and the super chat. Okay, all right, talk to you soon. Bye bye.